Need to turn off Find My iPhone before selling your device, repairing it, or switching to a new phone? Find My iPhone is an important security feature, but there are times when you need to disable it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable Find My iPhone. Let's get started. Find My iPhone is designed to protect your device in case it gets lost or stolen. However, if you're selling your iPhone, trading it in, or sending it for repairs, you'll need to turn it off first. This ensures that the next owner can activate the device without issues and that Apple's security lock doesn't prevent access. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. At the very top of the Settings menu, you'll see your Apple ID name. Tap on it to open your Apple account settings. Inside the Apple ID menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Find My. Tap on it to open the settings related to tracking and locating your device. Once inside the Find My menu, tap on Find My iPhone at the top. You will see a toggle switch next to Find My iPhone. Tap the switch to turn it off. A pop-up will appear, asking you to enter your Apple ID password to confirm that you want to disable the feature. Enter your password and tap Turn Off to complete the process. To make sure Find My iPhone has been turned off successfully, go back to the Find My settings and check if the toggle switch is now grayed out. You can also confirm by opening a web browser on another device and going to www.icloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID, click on Find iPhone, and check if your device is still listed. If your iPhone no longer appears in the list, Find My iPhone has been successfully disabled. If you are selling, trading in, or giving away your iPhone, you should also remove it from your Apple ID account. To do this, go to Settings, tap on your Apple ID name, then scroll to the bottom and tap Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password, confirm, and your iPhone will be completely removed from your iCloud account. Disabling. Find My iPhone is essential if you're selling, trading in, or repairing your device. By turning it off properly and removing it from your Apple ID, you prevent activation issues for the next user. Whether you're upgrading to a new phone or preparing your iPhone for resale, these steps ensure a smooth process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next one.